So every morning, this is my wake-up call from my cat. And then let's go see where she is. Pips? What do you want? What? Do you want something? Is it morning? Yeah? Good morning. Hi, are you bringing me somewhere? Yeah? Hi. Happy Friday to you too. Where are we going? Sorry for the darkness. I have a feeling I know where she's bringing me. Where are we going? Oh. Always the culprit, an empty food bowl. Is that what you want? Oh, a little love. Is that what you want? Pips, can you say hello to everyone? Come here. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? No, we have our mind on one thing, and that's food. Oh. See? All right, I love you guys. Talk to you later.